Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel, Chris Digitals. My name is Chris. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you. Uh, if you are a recent subscriber, thank you for subscribing. And if you also one of my beginning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate your contribution, and I really appreciate everything you guys have been doing for me and in this channel. So thank you again. If you haven't subscribed and you just keep watching my videos, please do me this favor and hit the red subscribe button, and also hit the bell notification so you will be notified every time I upload new video. Thank you guys again. Last time I showed you guys how to create this calendar for August, and I linked them to different weeks of the month. So the week of 31st, I linked it to that week, and right here you have that particular week. But since this week is just a one day in the week of the 31st in August, so I just created this very small minimal activity or boxes, to plan for that day. And if you haven't seen the rest of the video, you can watch the part 1 and part 2. The link is going to pop up in your upper right hand corner of your screen, so you're going to see that. Just click that and then you can begin to watch that, okay, before you come and watch this video. All right, so where we stopped, we finished this, and we were able to create a link for this Saturday. So when I click on that, it takes me here. So this is where we're going to continue, and today I'm going to try to do as much as I can to cover the entire of this daily planner for this Saturday, and then we will try to do the week 32 so we can be able to at least finish this whole week today. Okay, I'm going to try my best and do it, so please follow with me. If I'm too fast, please you can pause it and go back and rewatch again. Okay, I just want to try and finish this. All right guys, thank you for your understanding. So let's go there. All right, so right here we're going to create meeting times. We're going to create a table that is going to be 3 by whatever time you want. I'm going to show you an example. So I'm going to go here, click on table, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. Let's do 3. So let's do 3 by 5. Okay, so doing 3 by 5, so right here. Okay, so you're going to go here and just expand this. Okay, and here you can just type in time, capital letter. You can do small letters too, so meetings slash appointment, and then you put done. All right, let's highlight this first part and go to the home, and we'll go here and just go to center. So center that. You can choose to give this a color, the background color. So you go to table, go to shading, and you can choose any color you want. I'll give it this color. All right, now you can click out of that. Okay, so for me, since it's just one day, I'm just going to do a short schedule here. You can extend yours as far as you want. Okay, I'm going to just put here your appointment. So time, I'll say 8 a.m. and here I'll say 10 a.m. You can put whatever time you want to. Okay, depends on your appointment time and stuff. You can leave this blank until you want to start putting time in for your appointment. You can then start putting the times. Okay, and here I'll put 12 p.m. and here I'll put 2 p.m. Okay, so if you want to add more, you can just tab, make sure this is highlighted here, then put enter. So you can just put, say, 3 p.m. Okay, and now if you want, you can center all of this. Go to home, go to paragraph, center, and you can reduce the font. So I'll just put 10. Okay, so that's that. But I would like to make this a little bit fancier, if you understand what I mean. So I'm going to go to draw, and I'm going to go to shapes, and I'm going to go to rectangle, click on that. So now I'm going to draw this while I'm holding Alt key. I'm going to draw this out, and I'm going to hold my Alt key on my keyboard, and I'm going to drag it, and I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to resize it. And right here, I can choose to leave it like that, or I can just give it a different color, and I can just say, let's give it blue. Okay, so I just changed it a little bit, just a fancy way of, you know, putting a block or like a square or rectangle around it. You can use these as squares for anything you want to do. If it has a square shape, you can convert that to a square shape and whatever you want to do with that. Okay, so with this one that says done, okay, I want to show you guys something. You can put your example, you can put your done check marks here. For example, here, go here, you can just put right there. So if you did your appointment, say you went for dental appointment, like dental office appointment, so you went there, you can just put, when you're done with that, you can just put done. Okay, you can do that. And if you want to create another one, you go here and you just click, and you go to home and you click that again. But I can show you guys an easier way of doing this, where if you want to do it, it's just easy. You don't have to do what I just showed you. All you can do, I'll show you guys something that a lot of you don't know, and it will make your OneNote planning very easy when it comes to checklist. You can just highlight this whole aspect of it and just go to here and just click on that, and boom, that's it. So you just did that. Okay, so that's a side note. I'm just showing you guys that, so now you know. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, we're going to create a workout schedule. All right, because if you look at this, you have your workout schedule here. Okay, here I should put like workout schedule. If you've already created this, you can just put your work. If you can just title this workout schedule, if you want to, you don't have to, but I'll just put this workout schedule. This is for the week of the 31st. Okay, you can just put that workout schedule. You don't have to put it once again, it's up to you. I forgot to put it last video, so right there you can just put that. Okay, so let's go back to that date. All right, so this daily planner, we want to create that workout schedule. So we're going to do 3 tables again. All right, so let's go to the table and do 3 by, let's do 3 by 4. Okay, so you come here, you use your Alt key and you drag it wherever you want to put it. Okay, right there, it looks fine. So now you can increase this, increase that, and increase that. All right, let's make this a little bit smaller. All right, so let's type in here completed, and and let's type in here resp reps and time, and let's type in here workout. All right, you can highlight all of this, change the color, come to home, go to paragraph, center it. Okay. All right, so we can copy this block that we did here, Control C or Command C if you're using Apple, and Control V or Command V if you're using Apple. So we'll take this, hold your Alt key, all right, so let's reduce this size a little bit. Okay, so now we have we've created this workout section. So right here you can, you know, put your workout. Maybe you want to do abs, you want to do tricep for that Saturday, you want to do bicep, and let's do some more to equal this area. Okay. Okay, now let's bring this down. All right, so right here we can put crunches, we can put cardio. All right, you can center this or you can leave it the way it is, up to you. Okay, so now you have your abs, you have the reps you did, and if it's completed, you check it again. You know how to do this now, so highlight this, go to home, and go to this check marks to do, and just click on that, and voila, you have that. Okay. All right, the next one we're going to do is errands. So for that Saturday, what errands are you running? Remember, you already have something copied on your clipboard. So all you have to do is either you do right click outside of anywhere, right click, and you go to paste. All right, you have that, or you can just do Control V. All right, so this one, it's the errand. So you can just drag that and put right here. You can change this color if you want to. Let's make this white, and you can reduce the thickness of this as well if you want to. It's totally up to you. All right. Okay, so there you're going to put errand. So let's type in errands. So you drag that and you put it right there. Okay, and here you can put my workout. You can put that there. You can name this whatever I want to name this to if you want to. You can just put schedule, or my schedules, or my appointment, or my meetings, whatever I want to put, you can put that right there. Okay. All right, so the next one we're going to create is water intake. So how many ounces of water are you supposed to take in a day? So it's supposed to be 64 ounces. So 8 ounces of water 8 times. So 8 times 8, right? So that's what you want to consume in a day. So here I'm just going to type in water intake. All right, and I'm going to set it right here. And now we're going to do, going to go to inserts. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, going to do 9. I'll tell you why. So click on that. So right here you put that, and you can increase this. So here we're going to type in water intake, okay, or H2O water intake, same thing as water intake. And you can just highlight all of this, go to center, click home, go to center, and center all of that. Then you can type in 8 ounce. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so I'm gonna come here and just click enter. All right, so here we're going to type in completed. Okay, and now you're going to highlight this, and again do the same thing I just showed you on how to get the check marks. So you just go and click that, and there you go. So let's try and center this. All right, so you have your water intake. So if it's up to you if you want to put this. So again, this rectangle right here or square is still copied to your clipboard. So you just right click and just click on that to open it. And now you can create a box around this if you want. And we can change the color to white if you want to, or leave it the way it is. You can even change it to any other color you want. All right, so you have this is ready. So now what have we created today? We've created my schedule, my workout, errands, and water intake. Okay, so next thing we're going to create is going to be your house chores, today's gratitude, and my top 3. Okay, my top 3 should be easy, so all you have to do is just click on the top of this and then hold your shift key and you click on this. Actually, no, click on this and hold your, oh, it's not working. Okay, click on that and just, how about we just highlight them both? That might be better. So highlight them both and then you copy, Control C, and you come down here and Control V. All right, so you put, adjust this, so you put it right here, and now you just change the name of this. Let's change it into my top 3. Okay, so that's my top 3. So now you can leave it like that. All right, so the next one you want to do your today's gratitude. Now it's already copied again, so you just go and Control V, you go there, do that, and you change this to today's gratitude. Increase that. Okay, put that there. You can also increase this. Take this up. There you go. You can fine-tune them if you want to. All right, it's to your preference. You can change colors as well. So for example, if I want to change the color of this, I can highlight this and this is going to pop out. If it doesn't pop out, you go to home and you're going to see it right here. Okay, then you're going to change the color, and I'll just give this probably yellow, and this top 3 you can just highlight that, go to font to change it, and you can just give this a blue. And water intake, you can highlight that and give that blue if you want to, because water is kind of universal for blue, right? So you can make this a little bit centered. All right, so the next one, again, you still copy it to your clipboard, so Control V, and you put that there. And now this will be your house, the house chore. So let's expand this a little bit. Okay, you can just rename this and call it house chores. Okay, you can leave that white if you want to. Here I'm going to change this color to, so I go to draw, and I'm going to do probably, can just make it yellow and make this one, can just play with colors here. Okay, nope, I don't want all of them. So you can just play with colors here and make and do different colors if you want, maybe red, this. Okay, you can just do different colors if you want. All right, but I'm just going to leave it as white for this. All right, so the next one that we're going to do, this page is actually done. We're done with this page. The next one we can do, some of you probably are like, why is this line smaller than this? You can leave it like that, or you can go back and just change it. Okay, all right guys, so the next thing we're going to do, we're going to try and do a different week. We officially done with this week. All right, so this week is done, and believe you me, this daily page, it's completed for the entire month of August, because all we have to do is just duplicate this very page in every day that we want to show this page. All right, so that's all we have to do. All right, so quickly, I know it's 22 minutes, but I want to try and finish the week of the 32nd. So let's do this week of the 32nd. All right, so to do that, we're going to create another page here. So I'm going to click page plus page, and I'm going to call this week 32. Okay, and I'm going to take that one out. So now you're going to see that this week falls under this one, but we don't want that, right? So we want this and this to be under August. So what we're going to do, we're going to drag this down. Okay, we're going to drag it down, and now it's under this. So also I want you guys to make it so easy for yourself, so when you're looking at your schedule, you're not confused as to which one falls into, you know, what week. So to do that, I'm going to make this a sub page of this week 31st. Okay, all right, so I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to right click and go to make sub page. So when I click on that, now this week 31 has has become a parent page to this daily planner. All right, so now the daily planner is now a sub page to this week 31. Okay, so now the week 32 will have its own daily planner under here. Okay, so now let's create a calendar. Let's create a link to week 32. So we're going to click on this and right click and go to copy link to page. And now we're going to go to August. Okay, and now we're going to highlight this this is not going to work. Okay, so I'm going to drag this here. For it to work, I have to take it outside. Okay, so I'm going to highlight this, right click, go to link, and I'm going to Control V to paste what I copied from the week 32. Okay, and click on insert. So it's there now. So now all I have to do is hold my Alt key and drag this to the week 32. So whenever I click, okay, whenever I click on the week 32, it should take me to this week 32. All right, so now let's create that week 32. But we are not going to create everything from scratch in week 32 because we already have week 31. What you have to do is just copy what is in week 31 and put in week 32 and then do some adjustment. All right, so that's what we're going to do. So now I'm going to right click on week 31, and I'm going to go to set as default template. So I click on that. I'm going to go to week 32, and I'm going to do plus page. So when I do that, week 31 has been duplicated into my week 32. So all I have to do now is I'm just going to remove, I'm going to go here first, and I'm going to just put this as 32, and I'm going to take this one and just click delete on my keyboard. Oh, that's not going to work. Right click and delete. Delete on my keyboard is not going to work because I thought I'm using a different program for this. This is Onenote. All right, so now you have week 32 here. So, but week 32, let's see what is in week 32. It starts on a Sunday. So the 2nd all through the 8th. So now I will have to continue with this Saturday, okay? So here I'm going to just move things around, all right? Just going to move things around. I'll move these ones down for now because I got to expand this, okay? Because I don't have just one day anymore. I have a whole week for the week of the 32, okay? So now I'm going to click enter. Let's see. Okay, click on that. All right, that seemed not to be working for me here. Instead, what I'm doing is the more I do this, the more it increases for me. All right, so I'm trying to create the table for this, but it's not letting me do it. All right, what I'm going to do, there is always, there are ways where you can, get around stuff like this. So I'm just going to, for now, remove this. All right, and I'm going to just take this up here. Just follow me, okay? Just going to take this up here, and I'm going to go here, and I'll use my tab, and I'm going to click enter, and I'm going to use my tab again, and I'm going to click enter, use my tab again. Make sure this is ticking, like it's blinking, okay? Then I'll click enter again, use my tab, because if it's stagnant like this without blinking, if you click enter, it's just going to expand that, okay? So you don't want that. So you just either you click your tab or you click your enter button. Is going to create a new table for you, okay? So that again, click tab or enter, it's going to create a table for you just like that. So we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Okay, so now we want to expand this now, okay? So by just clicking that, putting that, and just enter, 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 and oh, another mistake. So we'll go here, do this. So it's still, but I want to expand it, so I leave it like that. I just put enter. All right, I hope you understand that. If not, please let me know. You can rewatch it and it will to be better explained, okay? All right, so now I'm going to bring this Saturday I'm going to bring it here because Saturday is the last day of the week, right? I'm going to bring it here, but I'm going to change where it's going to go later, okay? So I'm going to bring it there. Now I'm going to do Sunday. I'm going to do Monday. I'm going to do Tuesday. Bear with me here, okay, guys? I'm doing something that you guys going to probably appreciate right when I'm done with this. So Wednesday, so Thursday and Friday. All right. So now we're going to link all of this when the time comes, all right? Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's just put them for now. Let's put them for now, but we're going to link them later. So right here you have Sunday. You have Monday. Tuesday. What happened? Okay, do it again. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. And Friday. Don't worry, guys. We're going to link them. Bear with me. I'm going somewhere with this. All right. So that has been done. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do, we have this one that is meal plan, right? So we started Saturday, but now I'm going to change this to Sunday. All right. And I'm going to come here and I'm just going to click enter. And I'm going to do Monday. Enter. Tuesday. Enter. Wednesday. Expand it. Okay. Enter. Thursday. Friday. And Saturday. Okay, so now that we've done this, our meal plan is all set. Okay, so we didn't need to create everything from scratch. We're just adjusting things. Okay, and one more thing we can adjust is the workout schedule. So here we can just move this one down to accommodate for the workout schedule. Okay, can move this one down, and right here we can just click enter and you can just do Monday. I'm going to change that Saturday, okay, guys? And Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Okay, so here we're going to come here and just change this Saturday to Sunday. And remember, if you like your weekday to start on a Monday, you can do the Monday, okay? And now here you can just highlight all of this and go to home and click on this, and you have all your completed to do. Okay, so you just created that, and your important and urgent remains the same. You can probably want to expand on that, so because it's going to be more than one day for that week. Remember, we created this just for the Saturday for that 31st week, but now we're doing it the 32nd week, so you're going to expand. It's possible that your week will have more than just this small space for your to-do list, right? So that's why I'm expanding this. Okay, all right, let's expand this one. Maybe give it a little bit of space and take this. Okay, you can remove this if you want to, because this one was just another way I was trying to show you guys, instead of doing the to-do list and check marks, you can just type them and write them. Okay, you can delete this if you don't want it. Okay, all right, so with this we are done with this full page, but we need to link this. Okay, if you want as well, you can just put square rectangles around these ones, probably just to make them look a little bit more popping and stuff. So let's try that. So Control C, and now you can Control V on this, and now let's drag this up. Okay, up right here, and let's reduce this a little bit. Let's drag this one down. You can change the color if you want, or you can leave it as white. All right, you can do the same for this as well, and for this as well if you want to. Up to you. I'm just showing you guys what you can do with this. All right, so now since we have done this page, all we have to do now is the daily pages for Sunday to Saturday. Okay, now to do that, are we going to recreate all of this that we just created? No. What we have to do is just copy all of this and use for this. So what I'm going to do is just right click on the daily planner and go to set default template, set as default template. So click on that. It's going to say this action will remove the current default template. Yes, we want that. Okay, so we click on that. So now you go here, and now you're going to go to plus page. So now we just created another one. We're going to use this as Monday. Okay, so I'm going to remove Saturday. Sorry, we're going to make it Sunday. So I'm going to put this as Sunday, and I'm going to click again, and I'm going to make this a Monday. I'm going to click again, plus page. I'm going to make this a Tuesday. I'm going to click again and make this a Wednesday. Now you guys get my drift, right? You understand what I'm doing now. So just keep clicking until you get to Saturday, okay? And Thursday. Friday. And Saturday, okay? So now I want you to hold your control key on your keyboard and just keep clicking on this. All right, and now when all these are highlighted, right click and go to make sub page. Now they are all sub pages of the week of 32, just like this one is a sub page of week 31. Okay, all right, so now we're going to start linking them. So the first one we have is the Sunday. So right click on this and go to copy link to page. Now we have to take all this out of this box. If not, it's not going to work. Because if I try and highlight this, let me see if it's going to work. And I go this. Oh wow, look at it, it worked. So you go to link, and then you just copy Control V, and voila, it's there. Wow, I can't believe it, it worked. Sometimes it wouldn't work, I don't know why, but right now it's working for us. We're going to use it. All right, the next one is Monday. So you're going to go and just right click on Monday, go to copy link to page, and you go to the week 32 and you highlight this Monday. Make sure you're just highlighting the Monday itself. See, if all of this, I see the reason why. If all of these are highlighted, including days and days, when you right click, it's going to link to all of this. It's not going to work for you, okay? So we just want to highlight this Monday, and it doesn't seem you want to highlight for me. Okay, so maybe that's why I started taking, oops, that's why I started taking them out. All right, so well, it highlights now. If it doesn't highlight for you guys, I'll show you what to do. So click on that. If it doesn't highlight for you, you can bring it out of this table and it will work. Okay, all right, the next one will be Tuesday. Come here, copy link to page, go to week 32 and highlight that. Okay, since it's not going to do it for this, let's grab this out and just do that from here. Okay, and now you just take it back, Alt on your keyboard and drag it back. All right, let's do Wednesday. Right click, go to copy link to page, go to week 32. Sorry if I'm going too fast, I just want to finish this today. I'll drag this outside. Okay, so now I'm going to highlight, go to link and just Control V, paste it, and you drag this back. Okay, right here again, we'll go to, is that Thursday? Okay, we'll go to Thursday, copy, go to S. I don't know why I tried to do it here again. Let me just bring all of them out here. Let me just bring them out here for now. This one is already linked. We're going to edit that link and replace it, okay? Okay, let's right click on this and take it to Thursday. Highlight that, drag it up. That's Thursday. You go to the next one for Friday. Right click, go to copy link to page, go to week 32 and look for Friday right here. Highlight it, right click, go to link and do that. All right, the last one is Saturday. Mind you, Saturday, we made Saturday a copy, okay? So now we're going to delink it or update the link. So we're going to say copy to link page, right? So when we come to the week 32, it already has a link already. It has a link to it already. So we're going to highlight it and right click, go to link, and we're going to go to where it says edit link. So we're going to click on that and take this link out and paste the new link on it. Okay, so now we'll grab this and we'll put it there. The color is different. You can just make them the same color if you want. Okay, you bring this down. So let's just take it to the, let's just make it the color that the rest of them has. I think it's this color. Maybe not. Let me try and change the color to this. Just this. Nothing else, just this, please. Oh, good. Okay. All right. Let's see. Maybe it's this one. Yeah, I think that's it. It's close enough. All right. So we have just linked everything. So for example, let's take it back again. So we'll go to week 32 of August, which we are in the week of the 32 in August right now. In the year of 2020, we are in the week of the 32 August, the second week. Okay, so right here we have all this. Okay, we have all of this. So if I click on this week 32, it takes me to this week 32 where I have my days, and my activities. All right, and here I have my to-do list. I have my workout schedule for the week, for the entire week, Sunday to Monday, what I'm focusing on, and if I did them, I check them. You know, right here I have my meal plan for this entire week, and I have breakfast, lunch, and dinner for this whole week, and I have my urgent and important things to do, and I have my notes. And mind you, these can be expanded. Can increase this and make this bigger. Okay, so it depends on when you're watching this. Today is August the 4th, and it is actually a Tuesday. So if I go and click on a Tuesday here, it will take me to the Tuesday up here, you can see. So it will take me to the Tuesday. So now I have my activities here, and mind you, you can change any of these times, and as you change them, you might want to also increase them. It's up to you. All you have to do is click on the rectangle around the box, around the table. You just increase that, and then here you can choose also to increase this by just clicking on this and then clicking enter. So you just expanded on that, and now you can put, say, 5 p.m. You can put 7 p.m. Oops, right here inside the box, 7 p.m. And now you can highlight these two and just go on home and go to do, click on that, and you have that. And you can do that for the rest of this, depending on how much space you need. So now when you create a planner using this my method on OneNote, you will have an endless possibility of expanding your area of work. You have an endless possibility. You can decide to keep going down or going to the side as much as you want. It's an infinity canvas. You can just keep going on and going. All right. And your water intake, you can start checking them. As you drink them, you can just start checking them. This is very easy, and I just wanted to create this for you guys to see how you can use your own OneNote app and create beautiful planners for yourself. Okay, so I just showed you guys how to do this. Now all you have to do for the rest of the week for August is just copy what you have in the week of the 32nd and just duplicate them for the rest of your calendar. All right, and I'll just do one more and show you guys how easy that is. So I'll do the week 33 and show you how you can just keep duplicating that. All right, so let's go to this, and I'm just going to right click, and now I'm going to go to set as default template. It's going to ask you this again. Just click yes, and now I'm going to come down here. Okay, if I do it up here, it's going to duplicate under the 32nd, then I have to drag it down. But I'm just going to go on under this last one and click this so it can start right here. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do, instead of me to right click and copy and do set as default for the daily planners and then start duplicating them by just clicking plus page, it's okay to do that. Okay, it's okay to do that, but it's going to take time. All right, it's going to take not too much of time. It's going to take a little bit of time, but I just want to show you guys the easiest way to do it. I like to have easiest way to do things. So instead of doing that, I'm just going to copy all of this. All right, just going to copy all of this, right click, just going to do copy, and I'm going to click on this and just Control V, paste. Boom, that's it. So now I'm just going to copy this holding my control, copy all of this while I'm holding control, and I'm going to right click and go to make sub page, and boom. And now when I click on this 32, I'm going to go here and change it to 33. So I just created week 33 within seconds. So I have week 31, week 32, and week 33. Now, what I have to do, if I click on, so what I have to do now is link this week 33 to my calendar. So I'm going to right click on week 33, go to copy link to page, and now I'm going to go to the August calendar, and here, gotta take this out of here. Highlight that, right click on it, go to link, and Control V, insert. So now I'm going to drag this holding Alt key, come to 33, put it there. So now when I click on this, it should take me to week 33. All right. So week 33, you have the 9th, right? Starts on the 9th. So that's a Sunday to Saturday. Okay. So if I click on that and I click on this Sunday, it takes me to that Sunday. All right. So I just showed you guys how to make life easy for you. I just created week 33 just like that. Within seconds, I just created that. So that's the beauty of what OneNote has to help you to duplicate, set as templates, do some shortcuts which can make your life easier as you go paperless into digital planners. So if you have any question, please let me know in the description. If you haven't subscribed, please do me this favor and subscribe to my channel. Please help grow this channel. If you want binders that are digital binders and planners, you can check the link description to my website, and you can check my website there. I have some of them are free, some of them are paid. And if you also like what you see on my website and you would like to sell some of my products and keep 100% of the proceeds to yourself, you can join the licensed commercial membership, and that is monthly or yearly, is up to you. And the link to that page is going to be in the description below. And please share this page of this video, and like it, give it a thumbs up. And we've come to the end of this series. Like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and